dear friend and brother. You know, Apong Obed was my classmate in high school at the Mother of Good Counsel Minor Seminary. And he became my co-formator at the Theology Department of Mother of Good Counsel Major Seminary, as well as my predecessor as parish priest at the Ascension Parish in Lourdes High, San Fernando, Kapampangan. We also became bishops in the same year, 2006, within a distance of just 4 months. He was ordained in March, on the day of his birthday. He's going to be installed again on the day of his birthday, March 27. Patibigyan ko yan. And I was